In this video, we'll cover the rest of the features found on the bottom toolbar. The first feature we'll cover is blocking off tables. A block allows you to block off certain tables for a specified amount of time, removing them from availability. Let's pretend that for the entirety of today, we need to block off table C1 through C8 in the center of the restaurant. First, tap the block button. Next, we'll set the start time, then the end time, and then tap on each table we'd like to block off. When we're finished, tap Save in the top right corner. These tables will now appear blacked out and will be no longer available for reservations. Next, let's take a look at shift notes. Shift notes are notes for your staff, not your guests. They can be used to notify staff that a server is out sick, a menu item isn't being served today, or any other information you need your staff to know. To enter a note, make sure you're on the date you'd like the note to appear, and then tap on Shift Notes. From the pop-up, you can select which shift you'd like the note to show, and then just type in your note. When you're finished, tap Away, and the Shift Notes icon will turn red. Staff should know that if they see the icon in red, they can tap it to view today's note. To the right of Shift Notes, we can also change the date that we're looking at. The left and right arrows will change the day one day at a time, while tapping directly on the date will pop up a bigger calendar that's a little easier to navigate. Tap the selected date, and we will be brought into Shift Planning. We can then turn on a timer to view each of our current reservation times overlaid on each table. The list of turns on each table is scrollable, so you can scroll down to view additional turns. The turns listed on the table will correspond with the reservations on the right. This will allow us to plan out our night effectively. When you're finished shift planning, the red arrow next to the date will return you to the current day. Finally, you'll notice the numbered icons in the bottom right corner. These represent unnamed walk-ins, and the arrows will show you shortcuts for party sizes 1 through 10. To seat an unnamed walk-in, simply tap the correct party size, and then tap a table to seat. You've now seated an unnamed walk-in on that table.